A business is really just three things: a person, a problem, and a solution. Once you understand that, you realize there's no limit to how much you can earn. People love talking about their problems, and that's where business begins. Welcome back to BrightCore, where I share ideas and tools to help you reach financial freedom and live life on your own terms. Today, I'm answering one of the biggest questions I get. How do I start making money if I have no skills or direction? Step 1. Understand how freedom works. Financial freedom is simple. Make money. Spend less. Invest the rest. You can't save your way to freedom. There's a limit to how much you can cut. So the key is to increase your income. Your job already proves you have skills. Your employer pays you because you bring them more value than you cost. So ask yourself, greater than, how can I add more value? What problems can I solve that people would pay for? Step 2. Think like an entrepreneur. Every business starts with 3 elements. 1. Someone with money. 2. A painful problem. 3. Your solution. Most people say, I have no skills. But that's never true. You can mow lawns, drive Uber, clean houses. Those are skills, just low-value ones. Instead, learn high-value skills, like copywriting, video editing, AI automation, or marketing. You can learn all of this online for free. The best hack: help others make money. If you can make a business more profit, they'll happily pay you well for it. Step 3. Find your first customer. Start small. Talk to real people. Use the rule of 30. Speak to 30 potential customers before launching anything. Let's say you want to do videography. Ask ChatGPT who might pay for simple phone videos. Cafes, real estate agents, local stores. Offer to make short clips for free in exchange for testimonials. That's how you build your first portfolio and reputation. Don't overthink, just start. My brother sold his startup for millions, but for 2 years, he did nothing but talk to customers. The answers are always in real conversations, not behind screens. Step 4. Stop searching for easy businesses. People ask, what's the easiest business to start? Wrong question. What's easy for you might be hard for someone else. So instead ask, who has money I'd enjoy helping? What painful problem can I solve for them? What skills do I have or can learn to do that? If you help businesses make more money, it's easy mode. Say to a cafe, greater than, I'll manage your social media. If I get you new customers, pay me a cut. That's value-based business, simple as that. Step 5. Build wealth with income. First, investing is important, but it only multiplies what you already earn. If you make $50,000 a year and save $20,000, it'll take decades. If you make $300,000 and save $200,000, compounding works much faster. So first, focus on earning more. Your income grows with the value you create, not the hours you work. Step 6. Stop thinking like an employee. Some people say, my company won't let me start a business. Usually that's not true. You just can't compete in the same industry. You can still write, teach, freelance, or sell online. Upload your contract to ChatGPT. See what's actually allowed. Most rules are made up. Stop asking for permission. Start creating value. Because every business begins the same way. Find someone with a problem and solve it better than anyone else. Outro. If you want help building your own 6-figure lifestyle business, remember, your earning power is in your hands. Go build something amazing.